Good morning, students. In the probability chapter, the next example is example 16. The probability that a doctor gets job in army is 1/2 and the probability that he will not get a job in navy is 2/5 if the probability of getting at least one job is 3/4. What is the probability that he will get both the jobs? Okay. See once again, first you have to understand the problem. The probability of doctor gets a job in army is 1/2 and the probability that he will not get a job in navy is 2/5 and the probability of getting at least any one job either in navy or in army is 3/4. What is the probability that he will get both the jobs, army and navy job? First here there are two events. First, getting a job in army and getting a job in navy. Okay, let us define that as two events. First one, a doctor gets job in army. B means doctor get job in navy. Write down the given values. Probability of getting a job in army is 1/2, means that is A. P of A equal to 1/2. Probability of he will not get a job in navy. See, B means getting a job in navy. Okay, he will not get a job in navy means that is considered as B dash. B dash means that is opposite to B. Therefore, P of B dash equal to 2/5. Okay. Now you have to find out P of B. P of B equal to 1 minus P of B dash. It is the formula. 1 minus P of B dash is 2/5. 5 is the LCM. 5 minus 2, 3. 3/5. Therefore, P of B equal to 3/5. 1 minus P of B dash, that is 3/5. Now you know P of A and P of B. And one more value they are given. Probability of getting at least one job. At least one job means that is what? That is A union B. Either army or navy. R means what? That is union. Okay. Therefore, P of getting at least one job means that is P of A union B is 3/4. We know the formula. P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. Here you have to find out the value of P of A intersection B. See, probability that he will get both jobs means that is both the jobs means A intersection B. Therefore, A intersection B equal to P of A union B comes this side. Okay, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now, P of A is 1/2, P of B is 3/5, P of A union B is 3/4. Okay, LCM is 20, 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 plus 5 fours are 24 into 3, 12, 4 fives are 5 into 3, 15. 10 plus 12 minus 15 equal to 7. 7/20. That is the probability that he will get both the jobs. P of A intersection B. Next one. Example 17. According to survey conducted on 500 women, it was observed that 30% women like Lakme products, 40% women like L'Oreal products, 12% women like both the products. Find the probability that a woman randomly selected, first one, likes at least one of the product, does not like both the products. Okay, first write down the given data. According to survey conducted on 500 women, it was observed that 30% of women like Lakme products. That is one event. Second event is L'Oreal product. Okay, the two events are there. First write down the events. First, A is considered as number of women who like Lakme products. B event is considered as number of women who like L'Oreal products. Okay, see here they didn't give the probability here. In the percentage wise they are given according to survey conducted on 500 people. The total number of people is 500 people. Out of 500 people, 30% of the women like Lakme products. 30% of the 500 people. 30% out of 500 means it is, say, number of women who like Lakme products is 30% of the total people. 30% means 30 by 100 into total number of people is 500. 30 by 100 into 500, that is 150. Okay, therefore probability means what? Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here favorable people like Lakme is 150, total number of people is 500. Therefore P of A is 150 by 500. Similarly, find out the favorable people or number of women who like L'Oreal products. Yes, here 40% of the women like L'Oreal products. Therefore, number of women who like L'Oreal is 40%. 40% means 40 by 100 into 500, that is 200. Therefore, P of B equal to total number of people is 500. The number of women who like L'Oreal is 200. Therefore, 200 by 500. See next, 12% of women like both the products. Both the products means what? A intersection B. Number of women who like both Lakme product and L'Oreal product. Therefore, that is considered as A intersection B. Number of women who like both is 12%. 12% means 12 by 100 into 500, that is 60. Now you know the values of P of A, P of B, P of A intersection B. 60 by 500. Okay. See, first we have to find out number of women who likes at least one of the product. At least one of the product means what? Either A or B or both. Okay. Which means what? A union B. We have to find out the value of P of A union B. P of at least one product means P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A is 150 by 500. P of B is 250 by 500. 60 by 500. That is P of A intersection B. 500 is LCM. 150 plus 200 minus 60. That is 290. 290 by 500. That is 29 by 50. Okay. Therefore, the number of people who like either any one of the product is 29 by 50. Next, you have to find out number of women who like L'Oreal. Okay. You have to find out second one, does not like both the products. Does not like both the products means either a woman can like Lakme product or L'Oreal product, but it does not like both the products Lakme and L'Oreal. For that, first you have to find out the number of women who like both the product and subtract from the total number of people. Okay, a number of people who like both the products. Okay, first you have to find out the A union B. Okay, A union B equal to P. Number of people who like both the products, N of A union B. Similarly, probability formula here also same. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B, that is 290. Okay. See here, N of A is this one, number of people who like Lakme. Number of women who like L'Oreal, that is n of b. n of a is 150. n of b is 200. n of a intersection b is 60. That is 290. Okay. See, number of people who like any one of the product is A union B. That is 290. Therefore, number of women who do not like both the products is 500 minus 290. That is 210. This is the number of women who do not like both the products. Probability is number of people who do not like products by total number of people. That is 210 by 500 equal to 21 by 10. Next problem is example 18. A couple appears in an interview for 2 vacancies in the same post. The probability of husband selection is 1 by 7 and the probability of wife selection is 1 by 5. What is the probability that both of them will be selected? B. Only one of them will be selected. C. None of them will be selected. First, write down the given data. See here, husband selection and wife selection. 2 events. First, consider the event A as husband selected, event B as wife selected. 2 events. A is husband selected, B is wife selected. See here, a couple appears in an interview for 2 vacancies. There are 2 vacancies in the same post. The probability of husband selection is 1 by 7. Here P of A equal to 1 by 7. Probability of wife selection is 1 by 7. P of B equal to 1 by 5. What is the probability that first one? Both of them will be selected. First find out the values of P of A dash, P of B dash. A dash means what? Husband not selected. B dash means wife not selected. Okay. P of A dash equal to 1 minus P of A. Okay. 1 minus 1 by 7 equal to 6 by 7. Similarly, P of B dash is 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of B is 1 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. Now, you know the values of P of A, P of A dash, P of B, P of B dash. Now, consider the first one. Both of them will be selected. Both of them will be selected means husband also selected and wife also selected. R means any one and means both are selected. See, both are selected means husband selected and wife is also selected. And means you have to remember what? You have to remember and means multiplication. R means addition. Okay. Now here and. Therefore multiplication. Husband selected means P of A. Wife selected means P of B. P of A is 1 by 7. P of B is 1 by 5. 1 by 7 into 1 by 5 is 1 by 35. Next, second one is only one of them will be selected. See, only one of them means either husband is selected or wife is selected. Any one of them is selected. See, one case is either husband selected, wife not selected. Otherwise, wife selected, husband not selected. See, it can be written as only one of them is selected implies that husband selected and wife not selected, or wife selected and husband not selected. Here you have to consider the 2 cases. Husband selected and wife not selected. Otherwise, wife selected, husband not selected. See, and means multiplication, R means addition. First, husband selected. Husband selected means P of A and means multiplication. Wife not selected. Not selected means that is P of B dash. Next, R. R means plus. Wife selected P of B and multiplication. Husband not selected means P of A dash. You have to first note down the sentence. Based on sentence, you have to write down the formula. Husband selected means P of A and multiplication. Wife not selected, P of B dash R plus wife selected P of B and husband not selected P of A dash. Now substitute the values. P of A is 1 by 7, P of B dash is 4 by 5 plus P of B is 1 by 5 into P of A dash is 6 by 7. That is 30 by 10 by 35, 2 by 7. Last case is none of them will be selected. None of them will be selected means husband is not selected and wife is also not selected. See here, none of them is selected implies husband not selected and wife not selected means P of A dash into P of B dash and means multiplication. P of A dash is 6 by 7, P of B dash is 4 by 5, that is equal to 24 by 35. Thank you, students.